afraid your daughter has a stage 4 stomach cancer. Stage 4? She needs an operation as soon as possible, but it will require a large sum of money.
How much will it cost?
It's quite expensive. You'll need to gather a substantial amount of money for the surgery and continuing treatments.
Thank you, Doc. We'll find a way.
Okay.
Eric, I have to go abroad to earn money for Anna's operation. What I have isn't enough. Can you watch over her while I'm gone?
Of course, Maria, but are you sure about this? It's a huge sacrifice to leave Anna behind.
I don't have a choice. I have to do this for her. If I don't, we won't be able to afford her surgery, and I can't let that happen.
I understand, Maria. Don't worry about Anna. I'll take care of her.
You are here to work, not to rest. You follow every instruction, or else you'll face the consequence. This mess! Clean up this now! You're so slow! I should hire someone better.
Please don't do this. I'm trying my best.
You are worthless! Work harder, or else I will send you home without pay.
Hello, Maria? We still need more money for the operation. How long can you stay there?
I'm trying my best, Eric, but I don't know how much more I can endure. My employer, she's cruel. But if I come home now, Anna will get her surgery.
Stay strong, Maria. We're almost there.
If I stay here, I'll die. But if I go now, Anna will get her surgery. What should I do? I'll stay. I can't let Anna die. Just a little more money and she'll get her surgery.
You are too weak for this job anyway.
Hello, is this Maria's brother? I just want to inform that your sister, Maria, she's gone. Her employer abused her, so she cannot take it anymore.
No! It can't be!
But she died that knowing that Anna will get her operation. She made sure of it.
Anna? Anna! Wake up!
Where's Mom? Uncle Eric? When will she come home? I want to thank her for saving my life.
Anna? Your mother She's gone. She stayed abroad working for your operation, but she did not survive.
She died. She died because of saving me. She chose to sacrifice herself for me.
She loved you so much. She knew that this is the only way to save you. Her love for you was greater than anything else.
I can't believe she died. She chose to sacrifice herself for me.
She would want you to live, to carry on, and make the most of this second chance. Honor her sacrifice by living your life to the fullest.